Hello friends, this is the second video tutorial in which I am showing you how to upload the video on YouTube in your mobile phone. This is your upload button. Open this and after that select the video, whichever video you want to upload into the YouTube. Say example, I want to upload this video. Select the video, add the details thereafter. You can trim the video if you want, you can enhance the effects, whatever things you want to give the title, give title. I will give title demo because I don't want to give right now any title for this video. Then add the description. Then if you have made it for public, select the public. If it is your private video, you don't want to share with everyone, only the person which have the link can view. Most of the time it happens that personally you have made the video for your some personal work, so that time you can upload. Then permission and all, then just click on the upload, so your video will be uploaded. So this is very simple. Now you can see the video is processing has started. Once the video has processed completely, it is ready to share. So 100% processing is done. Here you can see your video in your videos. So see, my video demo is there. Click on share and share it wherever you want. So this is all about uploading video on your mobile phone. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you.